To cancel your Bluehost subscription, follow these steps. Log into your Bluehost account. Go to the Bluehost website and log in using your account credentials. Access your account settings. In the Bluehost dashboard, click on your profile icon and select Account Settings. Contact customer support. Bluehost requires you to contact customer support to cancel a subscription. You can either use live chat or call Bluehost customer service number available on their website. Request cancellation. When connected with a representative, provide your account information and request to cancel your subscription. Specify whether you want to cancel immediately or at the end of your billing cycle. If eligible, request a refund based on their 30-day money-back guarantee for hosting services. Follow up on confirmation. Once the cancellation is processed, Bluehost will send you a confirmation email. Check your email to ensure the cancellation is successful. Back up your data. Before canceling, ensure you back up your website files and databases if you need them for future use, as Bluehost will remove them after cancellation.